Okay, the moment we have all been waiting for. Ding ding ding, grade 12. Okay, so this is the big idea with grade 12. Most people, when they're in grade 11, they think that grade 12 is easy. And then they think that grade 12 is like a walk in the park. Like, oh, grade 11, it's difficult, yada, yada, yada. Grade 12 is gonna be nice. Yo, let me not lie. I think even my reports as well, they kind of give the wrong idea. Because my reports make it look as though grade 11 is like here, and grade 12 is like there. But then that's not the truth. Grade 12 moves if you're not careful. But it's okay, it's manageable. So if you look at what happened here, obviously many people ask me, dude, how did you do it? Oh my gosh, 95. So to be honest, yeah, I wish I could tell you there's like a magic potion at some river that you can go and like drink and then you'll be fine. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So if you look at grade 11, right? Grade 11 was like a 56 promotion mark. And then the very first term, Baba, we came all guns blazing. It was like, revenge. I wanted revenge, guys. Like, I don't wanna lie. Grade 11, 10, 8, yada yada, all those. To be honest, I think I was just tired, tired of not getting those marks, because the idea is I did put in the work, to be honest. Grade 11, 10, I think I did put in the work. If you check with like my other subjects, like IT, where is IT? IT grade 10, okay, it's not so bad. But then EGD as well, you see, those marks are okay. The boy was not a block. Let it be known, okay? Let it be known. Grade 11, if you look, you see EGD and IT. Like, putting those 70s, pulling those 80s. So I was woke, okay? Let that be known. I was there. The thing is, with math, I was not getting there because of the way I was studying, which is why this mini course is gonna help. Because this mini course, I'm basically laying out what I used to do wrong while studying, which is why I used to get these kinds of marks for math here. And my assumption is it's roughly the same on your side, that all the other subjects, you're killing it. You're proper killing it. Your English is and whatnot. Well, for me, languages, yeah, we were never friends, to be honest. Yeah, I won't even sugarcoat it, because Afrikaans, English, yeah, was not my cup of tea. So for math, grade 12, clearly term 1, put a 95 there, 5 away from 100. Yay! Well, the big advantage there was there were not a lot of assessments. I think we had like 3 or 4 tests, of which in all of them, we chowed, Baba, we chowed. Now, the idea with those tests was the way I prepared. The one thing I can safely say is in grade 12, I did have a good teacher. Shout out to Miss Abram. Yeah, Miss Abram from World School Akasha. She's not there anymore, but I think one day she's gonna see this. And yeah, man, put through for me, like, I really appreciate it. And I want you to know that. So term 1, to be honest, I really had a good teacher. And the methods that she gave to us to like study and to practice, that's basically what I use. And that's what I lay out within this mini course. And that's what I lay out within all the courses on this course platform. Because whatever it is that I tutor, right? Or whatever it is that I teach, whatever it is that I teach within this course platform, I basically give you methods and tips on how to study and how to practice, so that you study correctly, so that you don't do what I did. You see, grade 11, I was doing something wrong there. Grade 12, I changed it. You see, I did something different. And also the planning and the way I prepared definitely changed. So the only issue is, if you look at term 2 here, term 2, the mark went to 72. Obviously, you may be thinking to yourself, Levi, what happened there? 72, 95. So the thing is that term 2 is pretty rough, because remember, term 2 is the junior exams now. And the idea with the junior exams is it has grade 12 work and grade 11 work. It's almost like 50-50, especially for like mathematics and physics. So physics, I mean, the funny thing you can already see here is physics in grade 11 was like 39. But then physics in term 1 all the way to term 2 was 75. Consistency, guys. Like, I'm more proud of the physics mark than the math, because physics, guys, physics was missions. But clearly term 1, we got our revenge, and this was all because of like the study methods that I deployed, because the boy was angry. The boy was not happy with grade 11, because the thing is, with grade 11, the one thing I knew was I was not going to be able to apply with these marks. So I was like, hey, it's chai for me. Like, gone. Varsity next year after grade 12, no option there, because you can't apply with marks like this, if you want to go to like really good universities like I did want to and stuff like that. So yeah, physics, that was good. Yay. Grade 12 math paper 2. Grade 12 term 2, 72. The reason for that was the grade 11 work. I had quite a lot of a backlog. Now when I say I had quite a bit of a backlog, what I mean is, you can imagine if someone is going to get 56 for grade 11, it means that there's a ton of work that they don't know. It's a ton of work that they missed, a ton of work that they need to catch up on, of which in grade 11 in grade 12 you can clearly see that I had to catch up on that work. But by the time the June exams came, I was not ready. I was still, a lot of the term 1 and term 2 work that we learned in grade 12 kind of helped me, because I was really on par with that work. So all the study methods that I learned and all the study methods that I deployed, I basically laid that out within the courses. That's basically what I had started with, towards term 2. But then what I realized was it was not enough. Clearly you can see that if you look at the prelim exams, you see the prelim exams is this column over here, and you can clearly see that all the marks dropped, like everything. Information tech, IT. Grade 12 IT was rough, guys. Look at this. 71, 60, 57. It was like a downward spiral. And then physics, even physics, it was consistent. But then prelims, child, because prelims kick, guys. And then math, you can already see all the way from like a nice young 95 there, down here we're like at 68. And you can imagine, here I'm thinking, snap, it's going down. I was literally thinking to myself, snap, is this year gonna end just like the other years? And then Afrikaans, let's not even go there, because look, it's like 10% drop every term, baba. Afrikaans. So the idea is, from prelims, if you look at finals, it's like a young 80 there. So the big idea here is, funny enough, what most people don't know is that with my final math mark, actually, I'm going to show you something important here. I think we can put that for the next clip, because I think this clip was for us to just showcase the transition between grade 11 and grade 12. In the next clip, I'm going to talk about the final year exams, and I'm also going to give an idea of like the remark process, because I had 3 papers remarked, 3 papyrus. You see, my Afrikaans is not that bad, guys. Ek kan Afrikaans praat, ek kan net 'n bietjie Afrikaans praat. My Afrikaans is nie so snaaks nie. This is there. Yeah. You see, it's there. Ons kan praat, ons kan praat. Yeah. Anyways, in the next clip, we're going to talk about the matric result, or rather the matric certificate. And I am also going to give you an idea of how the remarking works and stuff like that.